At Bay Crawlspace and Foundation Repair, we know a thing or two about stability, about making things better than they were built. That's because we understand that the most long-lasting structures have the strongest foundations. We believe that the home is a cornerstone of the family, and ensuring that home is on steady ground and offers the stability our customers need is our passion. It's that passion for the families that share our neighborhoods that has led Bay to create a team of industry experts dedicated to providing premium service, using only the industry's most advanced practices when tackling even the biggest problems. When a home's foundation is in disrepair, the entire structure can be in jeopardy. But with more than 200 years of combined team experience, we specialize in offering stability, even in the messiest conditions. We get to the source of problems and provide solutions that last a lifetime. We also believe in offering our customers long-term peace of mind with Crawlspace solutions that will protect your home from things like moisture damage, mold, rot, and more. Though residential homes are where we spend much of our time, it's the people of our community that we're most passionate about serving, whether it's the members of our team or the neighbors we help. At Bay, serving people is at the foundation of everything we do. By combining groundbreaking technology, the latest industry best practices, and a commitment to premier service, Bay is offering stability, strength, and safety to the community we live in, the families we share it with, and the structures that we all call home.